Ready to satisfy your sweet tooth in a truly unforgettable way while taking home a unique souvenir? At SkyLand Ranch in Sevierville, Tennessee, you can make your own custom candy bar just the way you like it. You can find this experience at the SkyLand Cafe and Bakery. It's at the top of SkyLand Ranch, and this bakery cafe has so many Instagram-worthy desserts to pick from, but definitely the most unique experience is making your own candy bar. I'm going to walk you through the entire process so you can find this at SkyLand Ranch and make your own candy bar.
What are we doing?
We are at the SkyLand Ranch Cafe. You can take the chairlift to the top of SkyLand Ranch, come here, order your lunch, but we cannot leave without some dessert. And today we are looking at making our own candy bar, and our professional opinion is milk chocolate with crushed hamburger cups and pecans. But you can do any variety, and let's check it out and see if it lives up to the hype, because I've seen a lot of SkyLand Ranch desserts on the Visit Sevierville website. Alright, so I am making my own candy bar at SkyLand Ranch. We are at the top at the ranch, and they have all these decadent desserts, and this one is really unique because you can make your own candy bar and choose from 3 mix-ins. So they said that this was really great for kids to do because all you have to do is stir it, and well, if I can do it, they can definitely do it. Alright, so what is next?
So then I'm gonna go ahead and take this and pour it into your candy bar mold.
That looks so good.
That is going to be thick.
It's a very thick candy bar.
That looks good. So we picked Reese's Pieces, chocolate chips, and pecans. And you can either do milk chocolate or white chocolate as your base.
And then I'm gonna put this in the freezer for 15 minutes, and you guys will come back and pick it up, and we'll do a reveal when we open it for you.
Right
Can't
on.
wait.
Thank you, man.
While you're waiting for your candy bar, sit back and relax and take in the mountain views at the top of SkyLand Ranch. All right, so 15 minutes later, our candy bar is ready, and we are about to reveal what it looks like, our personal creation.
Oh,
Now the
wow.
SkyLand Ranch logo.
Fantastic. Thank you so much.
You are so welcome.
So what do you think, Bun?
That is really cool. That looks like the perfect midnight snack after wrangling 3 boys all day long.
It's funny that you say that.
It was the tastiest souvenir. Check out all my Sevierville, Tennessee videos. I have links in the video description, plus a parent's guide to visiting SkyLand Ranch. Subscribe for more U.S. family travel videos and find me at SavvyMamaLifestyle.com.